Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our love app. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. If you try to go on Twitter and then if you search for Roblox and then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that people are commenting nonstop, that they also have problems with Roblox right now. So you are not the only one who has problems with Roblox. As you can see, this guy here, I love Roblox so much, says Roblox is down. Eric also says that why Roblox is shut down. So you are not the only one who has problems with Roblox right now. If you want to try to fix it, you should restart your device, log out and then log in once again and see if it works. But if it's not, you just have to wait until they fix it. And please comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for some more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.